Yeah, well, go on. So this one tip can take 30 seconds and it can cut your germination time in half. Most gardeners skip it, but once you try it, you will never sow big seeds without doing this first. Ready? So from some burrata or bonus tip is to soak your seeds like this. This is loofah. It's now a lot of people guys, you don't have to do it, it'll sprout. Listen, there are some seeds that are the coating of the shell is a lot harder. So especially like beets, maybe not peanuts, pumpkins, loofah, those with the harder shell especially, I like to soak them in water overnight. Now they can be soaked for up to 24 hours, but no longer. We don't want them to get too saturated and waterlogged because you will end up drowning the seeds. So for example, beetroots, because they have a thicker coating of the shell, can be soaked for 6 to 24 hours. The harder the seed coat, the longer you can sow them. It helps to rehydrate the seeds and give you a a head start on sprouting. So if you look at these are some sorrel seeds I soaked overnight, so 24 hours, and the next day after 24 hours it's already sprouting. Now this is after just soaking in water 24 hours. I already have roots pushing out. So it works. Comment below, do you usually soak your seeds or not? Later.